What? So I thought this thing was getting modernised or replaced, but no. Just getting a new door operator, apparently. Which is awesome. How big this is, holy crap, it's massive. What door operator to get? Wittur. Place with Wittur doors. Okay then. There's lift number 3. This is, what's the capacity on this? 3,264 kilograms, 48 persons, so pretty big. This bottom drive? Oh, I think it might be actually. Set it up. See if we can hear the motor from down here. This bottom drive. That's interesting. Go 2.